Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. And today I'm going to be doing a simple look and using the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I have played with it once before and it's not bad. I am a girl who can only do magnetic lashes because they use the eyeliner. And I usually use accent lashes, but today I'm going to be using Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And like I said, I've been playing with them a little bit. So they've been fondled by my hand and glued to my eyes. And so I'm ready to commit it to tape, do a quick little eyeshadow look with the Ciate Editor palette called New England. And it is gorgeous, and I'm just going to do a simple eye look, and then we're going to put the lashes on and see how well that happens. You know, see if I can repeat, may lightning strike twice, because regular lash application, it's difficult for me, but this whole deal of using this liner that's adhesive is a game changer as far as I'm concerned. So we're going to start by putting this color here in the crease. It's a nice little natural buff color. We don't want to do anything too crazy because we want the lashes to be this, you know, the star of the show. The star of the show, yeah. Butter, butter, butter. The lashes of the star, yeah. I'm so excited that I might be able to do this, you know, more than once. So it wouldn't be just a fluke. I'm going to take this color right here that does not have a name. And I'm going to put it on my outer crease. And it's a shimmer. And it just darkens up the outside just a little bit. But I'm going for a really, you can hear a little Ruby playing around. Very nice indeed. Very nice. And then I'm going to take this light shimmer here and put it on my lid. And I've been really happy with the performance of this palette. Just nice shiny lids, and that is it. That is the easy eye look. Now let's get into the liner and lashes. It's very exciting. So as you can see, it is just a regular felt tip liner. And it goes on nice and dark. And I got a little bit of clumsiness on the inside of my left eye, but hopefully the lash will cover it. But see, it just looks like I'm going to do a little bit of mascara. I'm going to use a little Buxom sample I've got here. Just a nice simple coat of mascara. And it's pretty nice mascara too. It really defines and lengthens. And you can hear Ruby batting some piece of plastic around. All right, so it's had time to get a little sticky. I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm going to squeeze them together. The lashes and the... Look at that. Oh, that's pretty easy. That's really easy. And then I'm going to do the same with the left lash. And there we have it. We have lashes on. Oh, it's not so good on the left eye. I had it misplaced. It's not as comfortable on the left, but it's sticking up. But we have lashes on, and that wasn't too bad. So I think with some more practice, I'll be really good at this. But the Kiss Lash Glue Liner is a hit. And I am going to take some pictures of this for Instagram. And this is it. It was that easy to put the lashes on. Look at how long the lashes are. They're lovely. Oh, it makes me remember having lash extensions. It looks so cute. Well, thanks for hanging out with me, watching me squeeze these lashes together and use this great glue. And I did shake it up. Woo, woo, shake it up. So thanks so much for your time. Hope you have a great day. And this was less than $10 for this lash glue and a liner. And I'm really thrilled about it. Have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon.